Today's lecture is up to this slide. Okay, thank you and best wishes. So do you have any questions about my lecture and about my delivered lecture or about my presentations? If you have any question, please share with me and I will try to give answer. Okay.
Okay. So do we need to make specific research proposal if we want to write that paper, or it is just needed for the professor or the university only?
Right. University or professor, just you like this, like I already have shared my research paper, right? Research proposal.
Yes.
It was just my research proposal. So I have supervised of a student. So I have decided which proposal I will make and which method I will use. Okay, so just I have given an idea and I have given some paper to read to a student, and a student have read some paper and they have get an idea. Then they have decided which but final decision I have made. Okay, but they have shared with me, and then I will just finally decide this methodology and this type of project you can done, and you can write just like this way. Okay, so you should share with your professor, with your supervisor, or with your colleagues or with your co-authors. They will help. Okay, so which topic do you want to conduct your research? So first, you should decide which topic you want to make your research, or which topic do you want to conduct your research. Okay, so you should first decide. Do you understand,
Yes,
Sharif?
Yes, I got it. Yes.
So basically, here I already see that 4 persons. Anyone started your research, or just it is your first idea?
I mean, in both, like it is the first
do
idea.
You have
also,
any publications?
And
I said that. Do you have any publication, or just
I have one publications, but I have one publications, but it is like co-authored. I'm not the first author. So
okay,
I'm
I wish
starting
you
from
will
the
be
basic.
published I wish you will be published a first author or corresponding author. Okay, in future.
Yes, inshallah. Thank you.
So you should try. Okay, you should try, and after finishing our lecture, maybe you will get an idea how to make a research paper, how to make a how to decide. Then supervisor will finally decide which topic do you conduct and which topic do you publish. Okay, so you should discuss with your supervisor. Okay, sorry, do you understand?
Yes, it is clear to me. Thank you.
So any other person, Aizul Haq, Joina Khatun, and Hassan Mohammad Shoaib, you have any question? Do you have any question about this lecture?
I have a question. In your lecture, you have said that discussion is the most important part, and there was a point that compare with others' work.
Yes.
So, what is the implications, or how we could do that? That's the first question. And number 2 question is, you have demonstrated that tables and figures at the end of the thesis paper or article. Is it compulsory or complementary to demonstrate that table and figures at the end of the article, or is in the discussion or result section? Thank you.
Second question, I didn't hear clearly. Second question. Okay, first question. I will answer the first question. Okay, so you said that okay.
Comparison with others' work in the discussion part.
Okay, compare with our others' work, right? So you can, your question is very interesting. That's fine. So first, when you start your research, basically a supervisor always said that please reproduce a work. First supervisor always try to for a researcher. Always supervisor said that please reproduce of your work. Okay, so after reproduce of your work, then supervisor said have given, or after researcher, a new researcher, after reading some paper, they have got a knowledge, or they have got a idea, then they have finished their work. Okay, then they will try to publish work. Okay, so compare with other work, that means the literature review. It is the one kind of literature review, because your work is suddenly, you cannot finish your work without read some paper, or without get any knowledge from others. So you must compare, because without getting knowledge from the other researcher, you cannot do any new work. Okay, so that's why you should compare like this way. Like my work. Okay, like my work's title was the tuning the optical, electronic, and mechanical properties of inorganic calcium 3 PCl3 perovskite. Okay, this perovskite material already fabricated, but my work is computational work. Okay, but I got idea from that person, that this material is existing and this material is interesting. Okay, I got idea from this person, and from that researcher, and from that manuscript. After that, I have finished my work. Then I have compared with them, and then I am highlighting my work. Okay, do you understand, Hassan
Yes.
Muhammad?
Yes.
So first question, I think I have explained clearly. Okay, and then second question you said,
Okay.
what do you say?
My second question is that where to put tables and figures? Is it in the discussion part or at the end of the article?
Oh, okay. Table and I already said in my okay. I again I will share of my manuscript, then it will clear. Okay, I will share both of them, published, and then it will be better for you. Okay. Research work. I am sharing it. My publications. Okay. Okay. I got it. Okay. Do you see my publications?
Yes, it is.
It's a good journal, Elsevier. Okay, I have published. I already shared this in a Word format, right? In previously, when I
Yes, in Word
I
format.
have given my example. So that, then I shared my Word file, right? So after submit my Word file, then they have converted this. This is final journal. Okay, this is abstract, introduction, and this is a reference. Okay, then computational details, and then result discussion, structural properties, and this is the figure. Okay, figure and table. So result and discussion is together. maximum journal follow that result and discussion together, okay? And some journal, they have followed the result section and discussion section separately, okay? So when results and discussion section is separately, they will use. So you should put your figures and table in result section, okay? And discussion section you will discuss about the results. And here I have discussed my result and discussion together. I put my results and I put my figures and tables in result and discussion section, and I have discussed clearly my results and compare also, okay, in result discussion section. And also I have used this subsection, the electronic properties, or like this, okay?
Okay.
Like this way. Do you understand, Shoaib?
Yes.
I think. And
Yeah.
make your manuscript the standard. The standard is okay. I will share my paper again, and I will say about this. Please remember that you should follow this type. The standard is, this is the Times New Roman, right? The all paper you should maintain the Times New Roman, okay? So title basically normally you can use 12 or 14 or 16, 18 like this. You can use I have used the 14, okay? But author list or affiliation I have used the 12 font, okay? But here abstract and writing format you should use the 12, okay, 12 font, okay? Font size is 12 and Times New Roman. It is a standard. And the line spacing double, that means 2. It is also standard for a article writing. Maximum journal, they will format, final format after your journal accepted, they will format automatically. But when you submit a manuscript, it is the standard. My research article, I have shared my article. This is the standard. You can use the title 14, then the 12 font, and this is the 12 font, and you can maintain the double spacing, okay? And introduction, and then computational details and result discussion. But my result, my figure, I have put my figures in the last after reference, okay? Because it is very useful for reviewers, but it is very helpful for reviewers. That's why I put my figures in last after reference. But you can also put your figures in here in result discussion section, okay? It is also okay. Both is okay. Do you understand? Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Any other question?
One more question.
Okay, Hassan, please.
Could we get the slides up to this class?
Okay, after discussing with Sabir Hossain, I will say, okay, it will shareable on mode, okay? Okay.
Okay, sure.
So, okay, thank you for joining the class, okay? But participant is very poor. If participant will more, the class will more attractive and more interesting, okay? So
Yes, thank you very much.
I will request to join in class and more student. It will very interacting class, okay? So thank you again. I think you have no question, so maybe I can finish my lecture, okay?
Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.
Okay, I will provide the
Thank you very
record.
much.
I will provide the record, class record, okay? Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.